Thanks for joining me. Let's see what's on the workbench today. I'm continuing my work on my General Electric U50C Athearn Blue Box Kitbash. I'm now at the point where I'm going to start working on the radiator section. When we compare the radiator section of the U50C to my donor U33s, we can see that there's a lot more radiator detail that's not present on the Athearn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Athearn shells as the donor for more grills, and then I'll glue them onto the master shell. So I have taken some U33 shells and I have peeled off all of the detail parts that I want. The problem now is the detail grills are very tiny, very thin, and I need to sand the backing material off of the shell sections to get just the grill. I can take this piece and I can just hold it and sand it, but because there's so little relief that when it gets down to the very thin section I want to salvage, I can't hold on to it. So I have created these sanding jigs. I've taken a piece of flat brass and I've cut a window in it the size of the piece to be sanded. This one happens to be for 3 pieces, and it fits one of those radiator sections. Here's another one that's just 1 piece, and it goes over a piece that is this big. So now with that, just a little bit of relief on the edge of the grill touching the brass plate, I can now sand the backing material off of this. So I just sand until all of the backing material is removed, and I end up with a very thin grill section that I can then take and lay onto the original or the master shell body. So that's what I'm up to today. Thanks for joining me.